Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a super simple and completely natural remedy to lengthen your eyelashes and intensify your eyebrows. And here's the best part. You'll start seeing results in just 3 days. Yes, you heard that right. Alright, so let's get started with what you'll need for this powerful little beauty recipe. First up, we're going to need 8 date kernels. Yep, just the seeds from regular dates. You might be wondering, why date kernels? Well, these little seeds are actually packed with nutrients, and they help lengthen your eyelashes at an incredible speed. It's honestly quite surprising how effective they are. Not just that, they also strengthen eyebrow hair, making it look fuller and much thicker over time. So, if you've been struggling with sparse or thin brows, this is something you'll definitely want to try. Moving on to our next ingredient, we'll need 9 almonds. Almonds are rich in essential fatty acids and vitamin E, which are known to nourish hair follicles and boost growth. Next, we'll be adding a spoonful of cloves. Cloves are amazing for stimulating hair growth because they improve blood circulation. So it's going to support the whole process by making your lash and brow areas more responsive to the nutrients we're applying. Then we're going to need a piece of aluminum foil. This is just for the preparation process. It helps contain the ingredients when we heat them. Now here's what you do. Take all of your ingredients, the date kernels, the almonds, and the cloves, and place them together inside the aluminum foil. Once that's done, go ahead and roll the foil just like this, tightly enough so the ingredients stay in place. The next step is to place the rolled up foil directly on a flame. You can use your stovetop and let it sit there until all the ingredients are well burned, or essentially roasting everything so the nutrients are released more effectively when we grind them. But hey, if you're not comfortable placing the foil directly on a flame, no worries. There's another method you can use. You can actually burn the ingredients in a frying pan as well. Just make sure you're doing it in a well-ventilated area, as the aroma can get a bit strong. Let it burn for about 5 minutes, or until everything is properly charred. You don't want to overdo it. Just enough that the ingredients are nicely blackened. Quick pause here. If you're enjoying this video so far, please take a second to click the like button. It really helps support the channel and encourages me to share more DIY beauty tips like this one. Alright, back to the mix. Once everything is nicely burned and cooled, you'll need to grind the ingredients well into a fine powder. You can use a spice grinder or a mortar and pestle, whatever you have on hand. After grinding, go ahead and sift the powder thoroughly to remove any larger particles. This step is really important because you want a smooth, fine texture that's safe to use near your eyes. Once sifted, you'll see that you have a nice, fine powder ready to go. Now to turn this into a serum, we're going to need some almond oil. Add a about 4 tablespoons of almond oil to your powdered mix. Almond oil is super nourishing and helps carry all those active ingredients deep into the hair follicles. If you don't have almond oil, no problem. You can totally substitute with castor oil, which is also excellent for hair growth. After that, just mix everything together really well until you get a consistent texture. Now for storing it. You can keep this mixture in a small glass container. Or if you have an empty mascara bottle, that works even better. Just make sure it's clean and dry before pouring the mixture in. Now let's talk about how to actually use it. To apply this, you're going to use a clean mascara brush. You can easily get one online or clean an old one you already have. Just dip it into the mixture. And gently apply it to your eyelashes. For the eyebrows, you can use an eyebrow comb or even an earbud, a cotton swab, to gently coat the brow area. Make sure the mixture covers your eyelashes and eyebrows evenly and thoroughly. You really want the product to sit well on the hairs so it can nourish from the roots. After applying, leave it on for about 1 hour. Then you can go ahead and wash it off gently with lukewarm water. Now here's the key: consistency. For best results, make sure you repeat this process daily. Yes, every day. And the results? Oh, they're amazing. In just 3 days, you'll start to notice a huge difference. Your eyelashes will appear longer, almost like you're wearing false lashes. But they're your real ones. Your eyebrows will become thicker, and you'll see far less breakage or hair fall. Not just that, new hair will start growing in those empty patches of your brows and lashes, filling them in beautifully. And here's a little bonus tip. You can even apply this mixture to areas of your scalp where hair is thinning. It works just as effectively there too. The results are honestly so effective and natural. You'll be amazed at the transformation. Thank you so much for watching. If you try this out, don't forget to share your results in the comments below. I'd love to hear how it worked for you.